How to connect Zoho with Shopify. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can connect Zoho with your Shopify store. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So by now the only way to do this is through Zapier. Zapier is going to be available for us to connect these two platforms. So there is a free trial with Zapier. You can create until 5 zaps. And what you must do here is just to click on this orange button, create a zap, and begin with the process. So there are just two actions, the trigger and the action. I mean, what is going to happen when these get activated. So in trigger, we must to look for Zoho. So let's suppose there are different, like services by Zoho. You can see it here in products. And these are the same products we are looking here. So Zoho Mail, Zoho Forms, Invoice, Creator. It depends what you need because there are different ways to connect Zoho with your Shopify store. Let's suppose we're interested in the Zoho sheet. Why not? And you must choose an event. Okay, so here the event could be when a new or updated row or an updated column or a new worksheet, new workbook. By now I'm gonna place this. And when you click on continue, you must connect your Zoho account. So you must click on sign in. This is gonna pop up like a new window in order for you to log in into your Zoho account. And then the trigger is gonna be ready. The action by the other way, it's gonna be Shopify. You must know before continue that if you want to continue with this process with the Zapier, your Shopify account must be premium. Okay, if you're not premium, this is not gonna work for you. At least in Shopify you must be premium. So I'm gonna continue. You have placed your trigger, now the action. So every time there's a new workbook, for instance in Zoho, we here in our Shopify, we're gonna create any customer or we're gonna create a new product perhaps. And when you go into continue, there is the same process. You must click on sign in. So this is gonna get your credentials from your Shopify account and to connect Zoho with your Shopify store. And that's how you can do it. Remember, there are different possibilities and you can obviously make the same process vice versa, making the trigger your Shopify account and the result, the action into your Zoho account. And that's all. That's how you can connect Zoho with Shopify. Thanks for watching.